Okay.
Okay, class, this time we'll pick some few aspects in section B to highlight section B of Cameroon history 1961 to 1922 to 1961. And this time we'll look at the British administration of Southern Cameroon as part of Nigeria. You know, when the Germans were defeated after the First World War, the territory was partitioned. And the partition was disproportionate. Britain took a smaller portion of 1 feet, France took a bigger portion of 4 feet. Britain decided to administer this 1 feet as part of Nigeria. A question can be asked, what factors were responsible for the British decision to administer Southern Cameroon as part of Nigeria? What factors were responsible for the British administration of Southern Cameroon as part of Nigeria? This is a one-part question, which is focused on only the reasons why Britain administered Southern Cameroon as part of Nigeria. For example, Britain administered the territory as part of Nigeria because of the size and population of the territory. Southern Cameroon was small in size. At the time of the partition, Britain took only 1 feet of the territory. Southern Cameroon was about 88,000 kilometers square. The population was small. It was about 550,000 people. This small size discouraged Britain from ruling the territory as a separate entity. For that reason, she decided to rule the territory as part of Nigeria. Another important reason would be the nature of the territory. British Cameroon was disjointed in nature. Northern sector was separated from the southern sector by a wide valley of about 72 kilometers. There were no roads and communication linking northern and southern Cameroon. This fragmented nature of the territory influenced Britain to rule the territory as part of Nigeria. Another important reason for the British administration of the territory as part of Nigeria was to reduce the cost of administration. The British were thrifty. They did not want to spend money to rule the territory. Another important reason would be inadequate knowledge of the resources found in the territory. Britain did not have enough knowledge about the resources found in the territory. Britain felt the territory could not generate its own resources for development. For that reason, she ruled it as part of Nigeria so that resources from Nigeria could be used to promote development in Southern Cameroon. Another important reason would be inadequate British administrators. Most British administrators were not willing to take up colonial responsibility in Cameroon because of the harsh climate and the prevalence of tropical diseases like malaria, sleeping sickness. She ruled the territory as part of Nigeria so that administrators from Nigeria could help in administering the territory. Another important reason was a fear of the return of the Germans. After the defeat of the Germans launched international